So coming to the natural abortion, it is defined as the abortion or the expulsion of the products of conception which happens spontaneously, that is of its own. There is no external inducing factor in this case. Causes for a natural abortion could be those related to the mother, where there could be diseases of the mother or some physical deformity in the mother, such as she can be a short-statured person, she can be an elderly preemie wherein the age of the mother is more than 35 years and she's getting pregnant for the first time. She could be undergoing some viral or bacterial infections for which she could have taken some medications which could have caused the abortion, or the infection itself could have caused abortion. She could be suffering from anemia or infections such as syphilis, tuberculosis. Habits such as smoking, alcohol can also result in the abortion of the fetus or products of conception. There could be exposure to radiations or even some form of poisoning such as lead poisoning can result in the natural abortion. Coming to the second cause for natural or spontaneous abortion, that is congenital abnormalities of the generative organs, that is the genital organs, which is wherein the mother could have a retroverted uterus or a malformed uterus, so the implantation does not happen properly, resulting in the spontaneous or natural abortion, resulting in the expulsion of the products of fetus. There could be pathological conditions of the genitals, such as there could be a large fibroid in the uterus or any carcinoma of the uterus, ovary or the cervix. Sudden trauma to the abdomen can result in the expulsion of the products. Sudden excitement in the mother, such as a overjoy or in a form of fear or even a sudden loss of temper, can result in the disruption of the implantation and products of the the products of the conception can be expelled. Conditions which result in the death of the fetus, such as the diseases of the placenta, RH incompatibility between the mother and the fetus, or infections which can reach the fetus through the placenta, such as bacterial or viral infections, teratogenic drugs that are taken by the mother, infection of the mother that results in the death of the fetus, such as syphilis, anemia, or exposure of radiations of the mother, or any hormonal imbalances in the mother can result in the death of the fetus, resulting in the expulsion of the products of the conception. Coming to medical termination of pregnancy, like I said, the legal classification of abortion is where it is justifiable, and where it is not justifiable, it is called as the criminal abortion. So the Medical Termination of the Pregnancy Act is the one which will define whether an abortion is justifiable or not, and it prescribes the rules on the basis of which this medical termination of pregnancy, which is a justifiable and a legal termination of pregnancy, can be conducted. So this act was introduced in 1971 and which has been recently amended as well. So it was passed on August 2nd, which is the main objective of it is to regulate the termination of pregnancy on certain grounds. So what are the indications under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act for a pregnancy to be terminated? Number one is therapeutic. Therapeutic is where the continuation of pregnancy can be dangerous to the life of the mother. In such case, the MTP can be conducted, or medically the pregnancy can be terminated. Eugenic is when there is going to be serious harm to the developing fetus, or once it is born, it can be physically or mentally disabled. In such cases, the medically termination pregnancy can be done. Humanitarian is when the pregnancy has resulted because of a rape of the woman, in which case the medical termination of pregnancy can be done. Social is when, because of certain social factors, such as because of the fact that there has been a failure of the contraceptive used, or because the mother can undergo certain social discomfort because of the delivery of the child, the medical termination of pregnancy can be done. And the last reason or indication for the medical termination of pregnancy is environmental, wherein certain environmental factors or social factors, such as the fact that the mother cannot bear to undergo another pregnancy because of her environment,